Ever stumbled across a website offering free Sephora products and promising up to $50 an hour just for writing a few reviews? That's exactly what tryshereview.com claims to provide, and at first glance it sounds almost too good to be true. But as we look deeper, things started to unravel quickly. Tryshereview boldly suggests it's working with major beauty brands like Sephora, yet there's no trace of any partnership on Sephora's official site or press channels. The site itself feels hollow. Click around and you're redirected to unrelated third-party pages with no actual application process, no product listings, and certainly nothing to review. The domain was registered only in 2025, making it incredibly new and untested, which raises questions about its credibility. Even more concerning, there's no company background, no real contact info, no terms or privacy policy, basically no accountability. And while the homepage is filled with polished reviews and smiling testimonials, there's absolutely no sign of real user feedback on independent platforms like Trustpilot, Reddit, or YouTube. The site is also full of shady pop-ups like, "You've just been approved," or "Only 3 spots left," tactics often used to create false urgency. It's not that tryshereview.com directly asks for your money, but it seems to be exploiting your time and personal data, possibly funneling traffic for affiliate profit or data collection. So is it a flat-out scam or just a sketchy marketing trap? It's hard to say definitively, but either way, this is a classic case of if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Stay smart and stay skeptical.